as you know, chemotherapy is these patients are really suffering, and we tend to neglect chemotherapy patients because just because they're going through some difficult times at this time, that doesn't mean they have to look they cannot look the part. And the biggest obstacle that we are facing is that the oncologists are putting them on chemo drugs. Chemos are basically bombarding your body with oxidative. It's all oxidation. All chemotherapy is oxidation. So when that happens, is basically your body is aging like 20 years faster on a yearly basis. So 1 year is going to go 20 years of aging process on your skin, because your chemotherapy is literally affecting your skin. Your skin gets all lathery and dry, and there's no shine left in there and all those things. And the biggest issue is that the doctors will not prescribe anything to do with antioxidants because that will defeat the purpose of doing chemotherapy. So the original design that I had was to say, how can I deliver these antioxidants to the skin levels and at least give them the chance, a fighting chance to look normal, because we can spot our chemotherapy patients in a lineup every single time. And these patients know that part and they don't want to be that person. So original plan was for us to design a product to help them, and that's where when we started doing all those things with the Auro GSH and the Wake and the Rest protocols, we basically was designed to help these patients. And if you take any chemotherapy patients on the skin where they're aging so fast because of oxidative stress, you put this cream on it and it reduces the oxidations really fast. Of course, the needs are much higher than a typical human being would have, but then that's okay, because there's a free the free radical scavengers in the Wake cream is enough to even help a chemotherapy patient. They probably need a lot of it because the whole body's been exposed, versus a normal human being is only part that is exposed to the environment. So your face, your hands, and things like that. So absolutely.